In a nation of dreams, millions still wait, searching for opportunity, searching for a future. For many, opportunity feels distant, uncertain, just out of reach. But India has transformed before, from keys that clacked to machines that learned. The internet connected us, opened new paths, new careers, new possibilities. And now, a new frontier reshapes the world: artificial intelligence. At Brainware University, we prepare students not just for today, but for the future that's arriving tomorrow. At Brainware, placement is not an afterthought. It begins from day one. Students undergo pre-placement training, soft skills development, mock interviews, and hands-on AI tool experience. This is why our graduates stand out in the industry, confident and job-ready from the first day. These are not just placements, these are transformations. Our pre-placement focus ensures every student is ready, skilled, and confident to enter the industry. Top recruiters, high-value offers, careers that begin strong. In a world where millions still search for opportunity, Brainware University creates it. With pre-placement training, soft skills development, and AI expertise from day one, our students don't just compete, they excel in the industry. Brainware University, future ready with AI.